Hi, I'm Noah from Tata Studio, and today I want to show you a new embroidery design. It's a very cute macaroon embroidery. It's a special edition for Valentine's Day. You can get it now both as embroidery kits and embroidery patterns in my Etsy shop. You have the link down below. And now I'm going to show you how I embroider this design. So let's start.
We are going to fill this shape using satin stitch. It's a really easy stitch, very good for beginners to practice their embroidery. So all you need to do is just go from one side to the other in a loop. Go up from one side and then back down from the other. It's very easy. I'm starting with the cream, which is the middle part of this macaroon, and I'm going to work my way out. You should do it too. It is much easier to embroider the shape this way using satin stitch. The trick in embroidery to create this movement, this real life feeling to your embroider is actually by filling your shapes in different angles or different stitches, and this is why I'm filling the macaroon cookie part in two shapes. And if you want to see me stitch the rest of this beautiful embroidery, just check out the description box for the links.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to check out all my videos and tutorials as soon as they come out. So, if you like this design, you can get it in my Etsy shop. It's now on sale, so hurry up. You have the link down here. And have a very, very special and happy Valentine's Day. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.